How to convert email to PDF on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Mail application on your iPhone. Opening the Mail app, you're taken to the Mailboxes page where you can view all available folders. Tap on the Inbox option. Now, tap on a specific email you want to convert into a PDF document. Once the email is open, tap the reply arrow icon located in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down until you find and tap on Print. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Share icon. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Choose the folder you want to save it to and then tap on Save. Now, go back to your home screen and open up the Files app to view your saved email. Once you open the Files app, go to the folder where you just saved the email. Tap on the file to view your saved email and use it for future purposes. Following these steps, you can easily convert any email to a PDF on an iPhone.